Welcome to my last tutorial. Today we'll just be going over some extra features that are interesting in Small Basic. So the first one I would like to talk about is the clock feature. So I'm going to create a variable called time equals clock.time. So this allows the computer to access the current time. And so we're going to put in our text window.write line about the mood, the time is, and then plus time. So this will insert whatever time it is currently. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same for the other mood, which is bad. So let me just type that in. Okay, so once we've done that, we're going to go on to our next function, which is the sound function. So this tells the computer to play a sound. So there are inbuilt sounds in it, like the first one we're going to use, which is play, chime and wait. This makes the computer to play a chime sound and nothing happens until that chime sound is finished. And for the other sound we're going to play is sound.play bell ring and waits, which will do the exact same thing as the chime but with a bell instead. With the sound you have lots of options, so you can make it play notes, it can play audio files as well. So you could download any song you wanted to play and it would just play for you. As you can see here, it can play any MP3. But we're not going to be doing that, so let's just go ahead and get rid of that. So let's save and run. So as you can see here, it says hello, what is your name? This is stuff you should know by now. If you've not been watching, be sure to go and check out our previous episodes. Good. So as you can see, it's played our chime and it's also displayed the time that we wanted right there. And so we're continuing. Random question, which we did before. Let's just skip these. So now my final one that I want to introduce to you is the background color and the foreground color. So the background color changes the color of the background and the foreground color changes the color of the text. And to do this, we write text window.background color equals white in what's it called, in speech marks. You know what, let's change that to red, because then it will match our channel colors. And then change the foreground color to white, so we're going to write text window dot foreground color equals speech marks white. So this will change the text to white, and if we go ahead and run that, it should work. So as you can see here, it says hello, what is your name, and it's got a red background and white foreground. So I'm going to go ahead and write in T-tech. So now it's changed the screen to be fully red. Just going to keep answering. Here comes our chime again. And yes, just carrying on with the this is the for loop that we learned last time. And yeah, it's been a great course. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would really look forward to seeing you again. If you have any questions, just email me at t-tech1@gmail.com. The T is a capital, and goodbye.